Hi guys, today we'll be plane spotting. Hey Dad, I think these planes are going to onto the taxiway now. I know, son. Oh my god, this plane's gonna hit the other one. Okay, well, here we go. Let's watch some planes take off and land. We actually was on this plane before, right, Dad? Yeah. Here it goes. Bye. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, it's coming back. There's another one. That's a 1943 Heavy aircraft for takeoff runway 31 left. 31 right. Ryanair 268, your clear for your clear. Hold short runway 31R. UPS 642. Stay right behind the Ryanair. Disclaimer. Just to let you guys know, Ryanair does not go to JFK. Don't judge me. Guys, there's a new one. Whoa. That's a cool landing right there. Woo! Ryanair 268, clear for takeoff. UPS cold short. Wait, this is a huge one. Okay, let's watch it take off. UPS 624, you are officially clear for takeoff. Here we go. Dad, look, the big plane is taking off. Here we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dad, when is our flight? In a second, son. Wow. Now look, I think... Wow, guys. Now we're gonna go to our plane.